Hey, my name is Jeremy. I'm a brand identity designer from Sydney, Australia. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 tips on how you can grow your graphic design career in 2021. Let's check it. So my tip number 1 is learn UI and UX design. For me personally, I loved learning Webflow and I still use it now for all my brand projects, if it's for a client or if it's for personal use for me. I used to use Squarespace, WordPress, Wix, Weebly, the list goes on. So for me, when I switched to Webflow, the technology and the advancement of no-code apps is so much better and it's so much easier to create websites now. You know what I mean? You don't need knowledge of code, you can actually create it all online. So make sure you're learning UI and UX design. It's very important because everything is online now. Businesses are coming online, so they need landing pages, they need websites that actually convert and bring in sales. So you need to learn those skills to make it very important. My tip number 2 is learn to create content for your clients. Social media is so big these days. We have so many platforms, Clubhouse, you got Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok. There's just too many platforms. But the key is that a lot of businesses are coming online and they need content. So if you can create packages or templates for people, even if someone has Canva, you can actually design Canva templates and sell them a package and do it as a service as part of your graphic design business. So for me, doing content is a big thing. I've grown my Instagram to over 60,000 just by doing content, and even on YouTube, I'm at 20K now. But for me, big content is a big game, so make sure you start offering that as a service to your clients. Number 3 is start focusing on digital experiences. The other day, I was checking out this cool website and it actually had multiple experiences, meaning it had all the sensors. So it had audio, so it had sound on the website when you land on it. It had like animation and motion. It had great design and typography on the layout. It had good UI and UX, and it was just interactive with the buttons. So it had so many cool elements and it was focused on the digital experience. Technology is growing, it's going fast, so you need to actually keep up with it. And especially with like virtual reality, augmented reality, there's too many realities. But for me, it's important that we start to learn how to create graphics for these digital experiences instead of just focusing on print, because print is sort of still there, but the focus is now on digital. So we need to focus on that. Number 4 is start freelancing. The best way I grew my career was actually freelancing on the side, because it taught me how to deal with clients, number 1. Secondly, it brought in more income, which is great because I can invest it back into my business. And then number 3 is that it's gonna give you that extra experience and portfolio boost when you do apply for jobs or agencies in your industry. And I think that's really key, is that once you start to develop your portfolio and get some freelance jobs, you get the hang of it. And you can either start to work for an agency or you can work for yourself. It's up to you what path you take. But I feel like every designer should start freelancing now. Just find people around you, find your friends and family, ask around at different events, and start to work and get that experience. And then lastly, my tip number 5 is get an internship with one of the top design agencies. It doesn't have to be the best in your country, but try and find top brand agencies that you love their work, that you want to intern for them, because working with those type of agencies, you can learn the ins and the outs, their processes, their systems. And once you start to know how they work, then you can eventually launch off and start your own brand agency, your own brand firm, your own business. And eventually it's gonna grow and grow and grow. And you're gonna love what you do. You're gonna love working with clients and things like that. So make sure you do an internship. I did 2, one in college and one outside of college. And then I worked with agencies and stuff like that, doing freelancing. And for me, that really boosted my career. So those things are still relevant in 2021. But obviously things will be online most of the time, so you might be working from home. But regardless of that, start to connect with agencies, see if you can do an internship, and it's gonna really boost your life. So I hope these 5 tips really helped you understand some ways that you can actually grow as a designer and boost your career in 2021. If you want to learn how to become a full-time brand identity designer, just like me, and learn how to do products and courses and work with clients, then sign up to the Mura Academy waitlist. You can check out the link in the description. All you need is just your name and an email address, and I'll be shooting out updates. I'm launching it very, very soon, so it's gonna be amazing. I look forward to seeing you in there. But thanks so much for watching. Remember to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to smash that like button and also hit subscribe, because I create amazing design content for you and I want to see you grow as an amazing designer. Thanks so much. I'll chat to you next time. See you later.